Hello everyone, here in the summer months, and I am actually interested in another venture of the boots shop, and that's a pair of Tokyo Sandals. Tokyo Sandals I came across on the used market initially, but ended up missing out on an opportunity to buy a pair of their used sandals. So I went online and secured a pair direct from the boots shop online store. This is the documentation that they give you, which includes a rolling dub trio and boots shop sticker and some information. Really nicely done. Thank you to the boots shop. This is a Tokyo Sandal pair of slip-ons. So I really was appealed by the way that these shoes are built. They're built using a Stitchdown construction, and this particular model is the Azagutsu slip-on in a brown steer hide in a US size 10. And here it is, unboxing. Oh, look at that. So you get a nice little cloth bag. I think it's a single cloth bag. It feels like a cotton-like material with leather fastener that allows this drawstring to pull taut. The shoes appear to be packaged separately in a more typical gauze-like material. And here we go. For those of you who are boot enthusiasts and interested in a pair of more casual slip-on footwear, this is the Azagutsu sandal from the Boots factory. You can see the Boots factory branding on this rubber sole here. A very clean Stitchdown style 360-degree construction. Look at how clean that stitching is along the outside. This is essentially a hole cut slipper made from one piece of leather, with the only joint being this back heel seam right here. This appears to be fully lined with a nice, some sort of synthetic footbed. This is a full footbed there, not a half leather insole. And so Stitchdown construction, which would appeal to any boot enthusiast. Looks like a fairly flat profile on the outside with a little hump here for support. But if you turn the shoe around, you can see how much arch is generated on this instep based on this design. That's a really unique design. I'm somebody who likes arch support in my slip-ons and shoes, and so this particular design appealed to me because you can see the footbed kind of ends here, but there's all of this arch support built in to this sandal. It has a unstructured toe and a just slight heel support right here. So this is really meant to be slipped on and slipped off easily, almost like a house shoe. I believe these were designed as a take-off of some of the shoes that were used by monks in Japan. It's really nice, light to mid-brown cowhide leather here. Has a very nice, supple handle. Unstructured toe, as I mentioned. You can also see very subtle, high-density stitching along the base of that upper. And then obviously this Stitchdown construction, 360 degrees around, joining the upper leather to the midsole here. Really handsome pair of slippers that I'm really looking forward to taking through its journey. This footbed is not the most grippy, although I imagine slippery texture will kind of wear off and give to more grip. So we'll have to see how that plays off. If I bring this in, there's very little play here, so there's going to be a fair bit of support through the shoe, which should appeal to those of you who like a leather footbed. This is going to be a really nice pair to try on. Tokyo Sandals, you should, I believe, take your true to Brannick sizing, and that makes it relatively easy to size. We'll see if this all works out. Also manufactured by the Boots factory, who does rolling dub trio. This is their sandal line, so if you're looking for sandals and you're a boot enthusiast, give these guys a try. Hope you're all doing well. Take care and goodbye.